Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set transparent background on app drawer on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, I'm gonna show you my app drawer display. And then here you can see the background of my app drawer. And then to make it transparent, here you can tap settings icon at the top right corner. And then please select background. After that, you can use this slider to set the transparency of your app drawer's background as you need. Okay, and then you can press apply. That's the tutorial on how to set transparent background on app drawer on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.